Hello everybody, and welcome to my basement. This is my final video project for my Writing 205 class, which is on futurology. For this project, we were tasked with designing an aspect for the city of the future. For my final project, I will be discussing my plans for designing the fire department for the city of the future. One idea that I would like to implement into this futuristic fire department is the tactic of roving patrols. Because fire trucks are already being made to have more sleek and lightweight designs for improved mobility, I believe that each fire department should designate a couple of these newer fire trucks to proactively go out into the city of the future and be on the lookout for fires and other emergencies to respond to and rapidly call for backup if necessary. Another idea that I could really see benefiting fire departments for years to come is the practice of interagency cooperation with other nearby fire departments. Specifically, I am thinking about sharing of equipment between fire departments. The gear that individual fire departments have greatly depends on the types of fires that they typically respond to. For example, the needs of the fire department here in Washington, D.C., where I live, is extremely different from the needs of the fire crews battling forest fires out in Arizona and California. Because of this, the gear that both of these fire departments have at their disposal is very different. With that being said, firefighting is, by its very nature, very unpredictable. If one fire department suddenly has a need for a firefighting drone that is equipped with a water cannon that they don't have, but another nearby fire department has, then the other fire department should be able to quickly respond to that call with their firefighting drone. Conversely, if the fire department with the drone suddenly needs firefighting grenades that spray a fire retardant mist and they don't have those, then the other fire department should be able to step in and take out the blaze using their firefighting grenades. Firefighting is a rapidly changing field, and technological and tactical improvements must constantly be made to deal with events that change emergency response forever to ensure that they are ready the next time that it happens. Some examples of these events include the September 11th terrorist attacks in New York City, Hurricane Katrina in New Orleans, and, of course, the current global COVID-19 pandemic. Which brings us to our next topic. How will the fire department of our future city tackle another coronavirus pandemic? I believe that fire departments should set up task forces to track when their firefighters respond to a call where they suspect that their firefighters may have come into contact with a person who has been infected with the coronavirus. These responding firefighters should then be sent in for immediate testing, be quarantined until they have been cleared to return to duty. I also believe that there should be personal protective equipment made specifically for firefighters that protects them from any possible exposure to the coronavirus, but at the same time does not impede them from doing their job to the best of their ability. I believe that this personal protective equipment should be designed to integrate into their firefighter exoskeletons. Here are the sources that I used for this video, and thank you so much for taking the time to watch.